Hi, Evan Pantazi here at Harborside. We can see that the boats are already almost gone. Time to bring them in for the winter before the bad weather comes in, and it gets really tough here. But anyway, just got a question in from a subscriber, Hadir Al Ami. I hope I pronounced that right. That's a tough one for me. But he asked what style helped me the most with Kyusho. And he asked if it was wushu or Wing Chun or karate. And the answer is actually hands-on training, trial and error. That's all. Okay, I've studied many different styles, so the style wasn't important. Now, that said, though, I have gotten a lot of insights from Wing Chun. I've gotten a lot of sights from Wei Chi Ru or Pungai Noon. Got a ton of insights from Naihan Chi, which is a Shorin Ru based system. So it's hard to pin anything. I practice all these styles each day. I do forms from all of them, and each day that I do the forms, a different idea comes in. Now, once that idea is solidified, then it's time to take it to the mat and play with it. And you've seen in the vlogs, I've got over 80 vlogs, which are video logs, up on the Platinum subscription. You see me go into the Mansfield classes, and we do some testing, some trial and error. And that's just to start solidifying the idea, see the results, see if other people can duplicate it. And then, of course, if it's something that's easy for you, something that you like, then you put it into your regular training, whether it be your sparring, your self-defense methods, your grappling, however you want to do it. But that's the way to do it. It's just hands-on. Okay, you get your hands-on, you do trial and error. Some things you throw out, some things you keep. So there's no particular style. A long time ago, I decided that I would stop getting rank in styles. I got a couple different degrees, and I just decided that it was more fun to research and to work with the Kyusho as opposed to a style in Kyusho. That way I was free to experiment and do whatever I needed to do with no worry about people coming down on me or getting upset that I was not sticking with the style, or I was adding something from another style, or doing a kata a little off because I was influenced by another form. So again, it's just trial, error, hands-on. Okay, that's what's going to make you better at Kyusho. Now, to originally learn the information, that's another story. And that's why I developed the online encyclopedia, the Platinum subscription, to have that information up there for you so you can research a target, the tools, trajectories on how to make it work, and then you just take it into your style or take it on the mat and freestyle with it and see where it gets you. So that's the best bet. Okay, you can't be put into anybody else's mold. You have to find out what works for you and what doesn't. And that's the beauty of Kyusho.